How to responsibly and legally operate a drone. A self-contained slideshow presentation in partial fulfillment of the requirements for EDTC 5633 by Jeff Ferretra. As the price of drones have dropped and availability has grown, drones have become extremely popular gifts. As more and more individuals acquire drones, the skies have become full of inexperienced pilots. With the advancement of technology, there has been a steady increase in the capabilities of drones. With the addition of cameras, GPS tracking, and high-definition video recording, drone flights have caused concern amongst airline pilots and privacy issues among citizens. With the growing number of new drones in the air, the Federal Aviation Administration enacted regulations in 2016 that established registration requirements and flight limitations for recreational drone pilots. Many new pilots buy a drone with little or no advanced preparation or research, which causes inadvertent violations that could lead to a catastrophic event, fines, or even arrest. With the new FAA requirements came the creation of bogus drone registration websites. New drone pilots need to know how to sort through misleading and confusing information available on the internet. Building a solid foundation starts with understanding what drones are, how we will use them, rules and regulations, external tools that are available, and how our flights affect others. This foundation will ensure that new pilots fly responsibly and safely. Desired learning outcomes. When entering the drone market, pilots must understand what the drone classes are and what's available to them. The three most common classes are the toy class, which are usually flown inside, the hobby or professional class, which are ones used for business and photography, and the racing class, which are high-speed, low-altitude drones usually flown by first-person view. In 2016, the FAA instituted a requirement to register any drone that exceeds 0.55 pounds in weight. Additional rules were established for professional drone flights. There are reputable websites and mobile phone applications available. One, released by the FAA, is called Before You Fly. That's the letter B, the number 4, the letter U, and the word fly. This is a great app that provides a lot of information for new drone pilots. Understanding personal privacy and why people are concerned about drones is key to a good drone flight. With the availability of live stream and high-definition recording, the public can concern about privacy. But privacy doesn't end with just humans. Drones have been used to record animals. Understanding simple privacy rules and how drones affect people and animals is a key aspect to responsible operations. And of course, we have to prepare ourselves to fly. We must be prepared mentally and physically. Equipment must be in working order, and we must consider all aspects of our mental state. Once we do that, we are ready to take our first flight. The OneStop website. The OneStop website was created to be used in conjunction with a course. On the main menu bar, you'll notice that there are 5 areas that a new drone pilot can go to get information. The first one is Resources. When we open the Resources tab, you'll see that 2 videos are available for the pilot to watch. The first is a video by the Gadget Guru describing drones and drone information. One is a video that I created with my drone. And one is a drone law journal that covers rules and regulations on the FAA. The next tab you'll see is the Drone Apps tab. There's 2 drone apps listed right now. The Before You Fly app, updated and created and maintained by the FAA, and the Hover app. Both are available in the Apple iTunes Store and the Google Play Store. Next, we find the What Type of Drone Should You Buy quiz. This is a simple 10-question quiz based on characteristics and attributes of drones. You'll go through and answer the questions on what type of drone you want to buy, what do you want it to do, what kind of accessories do you want it to have, and when you get all finished, it'll make a recommendation based on your answers. For example, you can see that quick answers told me I should purchase a toy level drone. A sample pre-flight checklist was created. This is a Word document that can be downloaded by any drone pilot. They can edit it and update it to make it what they want as a checklist for their drone. And finally, there's a drone knowledge quiz. This is a 5-question quiz just to test the basic understanding of FAA rules and regulations. When you get all finished, it will tell you how you did, and you can even post your results to Facebook or Twitter. Returning home will take you back to the main page of the website, and that is our OneStop website. What does the future hold for the course? Continue to develop the website by adding sources, videos, and new apps when they become available, providing a true one-stop website for drone pilots. Second, add a section on battery safety. Most drones use a lithium polymer battery or a LiPo battery, which if used incorrectly are very dangerous. When incorrectly charged, either over or under, or stored incorrectly, they become a major fire hazard. Create a one-day course offered through our City Community Center, providing an outlet for drone pilots to communicate, share information, and go over lessons learned during their flying. What does the future hold for drones? Integration into business. One example is Veteran Signs and Electric. This is a sign and scoreboard installation company. They use a DJI professional drone supporting their business. They use the drone to do pre-inspections of work and use the drone to reduce a 2 to 3 man job down to a 1-person job. They are able to do this more quickly and easily, provide an estimate to a customer without the need for heavy trucks, cranes, and personnel. They provide a bird's eye view of their work. They can use these for advertisements and their website. As technology evolves, the capabilities of the drones will evolve. Today we see drones being used in movie productions, and we see drones being used to deliver goods by Amazon. The future could include drones being used for search and rescue, fire control, or even crowd control. Drone technology, when used correctly, ethically, and within the scope of the law, has unlimited potential.